Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into the latest tech gear. Today, we're breaking down something that's making waves in the world of memory, the G.SKILL Flare X5 series DDR5 RAM. If you're a PC enthusiast or a gamer looking to supercharge your system, you'll want to pay close attention to this DDR5 memory kit from G.SKILL, specifically designed for AMD Ryzen platforms. Let's start with the specs. This kit boasts a massive 32 GB of memory, delivered as 2x16 GB modules. It runs at an impressive DDR5 6000 speed, offering blazing fast data transfer rates. The low CAS latency of CL30 ensures quick response times, making it perfect for high-performance applications and gaming. Now, here's where it gets exciting for AMD enthusiasts. The Flare X5 series is designed to work flawlessly with AMD X670 series chipset and Ryzen 7000 series CPUs or newer. G.SKILL has optimized these modules to provide peak performance on AMD platforms. But wait, there's more. G.SKILL introduces AMD Expo overclocking profiles, making it incredibly easy to overclock your memory. Simply enable the Expo profile in your BIOS, and you'll unlock the full potential of this RAM. Of course, this is subject to having compatible hardware, so make sure to check the compatibility list. One thing that's worth noting is the sleek and compact design. With a low profile height of just 33mm, the Flare X5 series is perfect for those building compact, performance-focused PCs. It allows for compatibility with a wide range of CPU coolers, ensuring that your system stays cool under pressure. Quality matters, and G.SKILL knows it. These DDR5 modules are built with hand-screened IC chips that are rigorously tested for both quality and performance. You can trust that you're getting top-notch components. G.SKILL also provides a list of QVL-certified motherboards that work seamlessly with this memory kit. You can find the link in the description below to check if your motherboard is on the list. Remember, compatibility is key. Do not mix memory kits. These kits are sold as matched sets, and mixing them can lead to stability issues or even system failure. So, keep it simple and stick with a single kit for optimal performance. In conclusion, the G.SKILL Flare X5 series DDR5 RAM is a fantastic choice for AMD Ryzen enthusiasts who want to take their system's performance to the next level. With its overclocking capabilities, low-profile design, and rigorous testing, it's a memory kit that means business. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep those systems running fast and smooth.